Christine Cushing Live explores great food with a lot of passion. Then Emerald Lagasse makes
Oh, let's put one more egg here and beat it up and make another dish. I call it comfort food fish custard. You know, I do a lot of custard at home. And in fact, in the midnight snack restaurant in Sydney or Melbourne, they have a lot of this sort of at night. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning, people don't want to have something too much. This is what they do. Beat this up, and I put the same amount of broth. 1 egg full of broth. This is chicken broth. Put it right over here, okay? Spit it up. Put a kind of salt, kind of pepper. That's all you need. If you want, hey, how about a tiny bit of chopped ginger, finely minced ginger? It's good. Add the flavor, okay? The next thing I'm gonna do is I put this in a steam pie plate, right? This, and set it aside. And then I am going to cut up some fish. Okay? You can use any freshwater or saltwater fish. Cut an angle, thin slices, nice and big like this, okay? Nice and big. Beautiful piece of fish. Oh, slice. At home, this is how you should do it. Rather than do it towards your hand, you do it this way. This way you can never cut yourself. Cut it up, put it here, you cut it up, and you put it here. You cut it up, and you put it here. And then after that, you quickly, if you want, you can also quickly marinate a little bit with a tiny bit of salt and pepper. That's all you need. Always use a chopstick to do it, okay? And then the next thing you can do is put this fish, line them all up like this. Line them all up, and get your steamer ready, okay? Make sure get your steamer ready. Line them all up, and line them all up like that. And then you remember we have some leftover donut, youtiao, which is already deep fried level from the other dish. All you have to do is put this together, a very, very unique dish. Okay? Then the next thing you do is take it over here and you steam it. Oh, let's put this over here and let it steam. Okay? Okay. Make sure this is hot, okay? Put it right on top of here, very carefully. And then put this round up and let it steam over medium to medium-low heat. This way, the egg will not be overcooked and denatured over. Then you don't see bubbles. Nice, smooth custard. Now, talking about steaming. Why Chinese chefs love to use bamboo steamer? The reason why they like bamboo steamer is because just in case you have too much liquid, too much moisture, too much steam, they go through this crack so you can stack several dishes together. And any excessive steam, they come out from here, so very little condensation. Now, talk about youtiao. Everybody look, we've been using youtiao. You can actually, today I'll even show you how to make youtiao at home. Very simple, very easy to do. Some youtiao are short, some are long. You go to Chinese juk and noodle place, you can buy youtiao like this, freshly cooked, and you can serve it with juk, Chinese porridge, or Chinese congee, and also serve in northern China. They serve this with soybean milk. I think after you steam about 8 to 10 minutes, they're nice and smooth. So you take this out, and we'll show you how to use this. Grab hold of these very carefully. Very carefully. Put a very nice, smooth custard like that. Very nice. And continue to steam ours. And then you line this up, put this over here, and put this over here, and put this right over here. And then, right before you serve, put a tiny bit of soy sauce. That's all you have to do. Now, what you have is, check it out, comfort food fish custard. You'll feel great after you try some of these. See you next time. And remember, if Yan loves seafood, so will